Have a wonderful day, everyone. I am here in our chicken coop because it's time for them to give food and water. So I have this one that my husband grind. These are the eggshells, and he said that I am going to mix this one with the feeds of our chicken when I am going to give them. So in order that the chicken will not know that these are their eggshells, so they will not eat the eggs when they lay. And also this one will give more calcium to the chicken. After I give the feeds with the chickens, like this one, these are the layers feed. I give them also the leaves, which is the Madre de Agua that has higher protein. Okay, just mix this. I guess that's enough. Inside, mugawas naman ka. Here. Okay. Right. And in here. And here. I have finished giving them feeds and water. I am going to collect the eggs that they have for around 2 days. Chicken, hello. Yeah, because yesterday and the other day I did not able to collect it. You done eating, chicken? We are quite a bit busy here, especially inside the house, because today we are going to clean, especially the ceiling, the walls, and the baseboard. There are quite a lot of dust, and then also taking off the dirt from the lizard. No, it's quite gross. We don't like to see it, so we decided to do it today and then schedule the time when we're gonna do the cleaning of our windows and sliding glass door. And in cleaning the walls, the piece, and the cabinet, I am just using water and bleach. Yeah, a lot of water but enough bleach. Then scrub it to take out the dirt. And for the ceiling, we are using water, bleach, and liquid soap to clean it. Later, when I finish cleaning everything, especially on the top and sweeping the floor and mopping it, I will put the things back together to its place. Okay, so I need to continue finishing that part, cleaning it up, then so I can start sweeping the floor and mopping it. I am here now by our banana area. Since we have finished cleaning inside the house already, and I decided to check down here because today also we hired someone to help us trim these banana leaves here and clearing the vines that climb on the fins, so the fins will not destroyed or damaged. They are really quite fully grown, and really the grass is taller and it's hard for me to do at the back, so we hired someone here. We are here by our banana area, and we have her someone to help us clear or trim the leaves of our banana. It's been few weeks only since we trimmed this one, and then look again. And last time after the storm, I cut around 5 bananas in here because some fell down, and good thing they are already ready to be harvested. But since I am so busy and I cannot go around at all of them, yeah, there are times I miss them to do something here. And good thing we have someone who help us during weekend to cut and clear the area. And in here, banana fell down. He said this one is ready to be harvested. Oh, this is the agoy tundan. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna harvest this one. This one is ready. At least he fell down, but it's ready to be harvested, rather than again the birds will eat it. Last time, one whole bundle all eaten by the birds. And napapoy heart na ay. Na napoy bunga. Wala. Mani saba.
Saba, tambala.
Ah.
May mga UTI at palwa, humorous picture.
Para UTI. Let's walk over here. Okay. Quite big leaves. That one. We have quite a bunch of bananas here. And also a month ago or so, I harvested around 54 kilograms of bananas. Yeah. Guwang na rin ay, no? And also this one need to be harvested. Ay manay. Oh, pudlon na lang yun na, noy. Look. Yeah, they are really fruiting here. Our bananas. Yeah, every time I harvest this part, another coming. But thank God we have a lot of bananas. Over there, I don't think that's lakatan. This one, another hearts or banana hearts that need to be cut so the fruit will become bigger in size. And here nearby our deep well, I have mowed this place last time. And look, oh my, this banana here still small. Look, another banana there. How many I harvest in this part? I harvest around 5 bundle. But the last time, as I said, I harvest around 54 kilogram, almost more than 100 pound. Another heart here need to be cut. Wow, more bananas coming out. And this one, another banana fruit here, but not ready to be picked. And not only here that we're going to clear these banana leaves, also there are bananas on the top over there, and also in front of our house, and then beside the mangoes there. And I just walk from there going up here, and yes, we harvested two kinds of banana, the tondan, I guess these are all tondan, and the cardaba, which is the cooking banana. The cardaba we harvest around 2 bundles, but there are quite a lot still in there. We don't know if we can get some more because we have a lot of bananas that we planted around our farm. And then those cooking banana down there, most of it was eaten by the birds. Look at this, inside the wheelbarrow we cut it, and yeah, they are really eaten by the birds. Good thing we let someone to help to clear and trim the bananas and clear the grasses or the vines or plants that is really fully grown and climbing along the fence. Louie! And yeah, oh my, look at this. So we have her, our dog Louie. Yeah, he is not feeling well today. And last night it was really thundering, and it's so loud, and he was scared, and he keeps on knocking on our doors, and we let him in and sleep in our room. But this morning Scott told me that Louie is not feeling well, like he cannot really stand up and walk. So what I did is I massaged his body, and when I touch him, he is shaking, really shaking. He is scared on the thunder last night, and I just keep massaging him and then give him some eggs with sugar. I don't think I can bath him today. And after that, keep him giving liquid like water to make him hydrated. And good thing now, he start walking and coming over here. Louie, are you okay now? You got something on your eyes. We're gonna take that out. Come on. Are you okay, buddy? Say hi. You're not feeling well, yeah?